Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply a decoration on an existing design using the pen function and how you can prepare that in Cricut Design Space. For that purpose, I already uploaded a design to my canvas and I prepared the score lines. So if you're interested in that, how to do that, I already made a video about that. I will put a link and then you can have a look at that first. So what I want to show you first is how to apply a text. So we hit here the text button and then I want to say happy birthday. Okay, and what you can see now that we have here a basic cut and the color is filled here. So I want you to pay attention on that. So when we say we want to have the pen, then we go here to that drop-down menu and say draw and pen. And what happens is that the color will go away and we will just have the outlines here. And this means that the pen also will just draw the outline of the writing. So if you don't want that, or if you don't want to say it like that, what you can do is that you fill these outlines afterwards by hand. It's something that I like to do. I use a little bit thicker gel pens, and so it's actually pretty easy to fill in that free areas within the outlines. So I don't have a calm hand and no clean handwriting, but I can still make it to fill these areas, and it looks pretty nice. So that's something that you can try if it's something that you want to do. So what is special about the Cricut fonts? That's what I also want to show you. You can look for special Cricut fonts. So I take one that I already downloaded. So for example, this one here. And as you can see, you have here these outlines. So you have the chance to change the style of that font. And you can go here to that style menu and say writing. And what happens is that the outline disappears and you have the single line here. So I will show that again. Here you have the regular with the outlines and here the writing. And you just have the single line. So the pen will only do that single line and you don't have these free areas. But you can also look for some other fonts just on the internet that are pretty thin and that draw these outlines, but you won't see any free areas within these outlines because they're just so narrow that the pen will fill it. So I think you need to try a little bit and look for fonts what you like. And yeah, so what we're gonna do now is choosing a color for that pen. And you can go there in that menu and say, I want the candy crystal. And what you can also say is that it is maybe a glittered gel pen. So whatever you have, just choose that. And here we have the box and we have these little squares that can be applied on the outside. So I want to have that right here. And I will align that here in the center. And then what's important is that you select both the writing and that square and say attach. And you can also do that, of course, with other shapes. So I will show you with maybe a little star. And you can see it's all also filled. And and we change that from a basic cut to a pen. And then say we want to have this little star yellow, and also with the glitter gel pen. And we apply it here on another square. Align that and say attach. So never forget to attach it, so it won't be set apart when you click on make it. Okay, so that's all. You can now prepare your pen and your cut as you're used to. And I hope you had fun with this video, you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy working with my files. So if you have any other questions, please leave me a message if you like the video, so click the like button. So thank you for that. Bye.